Salamat.
Okay, salamat po.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you po.
Sige po, ingat po. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, I will be giving gift packs to Grab drivers, Lalamove drivers, Mr. Speedy drivers, whichever, because we usually have deliveries here because we order stuff in Shopee and Lazada. And then, you know, I also have pickup of orders if ever you guys will order in my store. This is how the bag looks like. It is Virginia, but it is not sponsored by Virginia, okay? And, okay, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. This is it. There's a spaghetti sauce too, and then there are 5 canned goods also. So I hope this will brighten up their day, especially that Christmas is really near now, and I hope this can add up with their Noche Buena. Oh, I will be giving letters also that I will put inside this bag. So yeah, so I found this template online and I will be using this. So I'm gonna write my letter here. Okay, so I'm done making a letter, so I'm gonna print it now. Okay, so I'm done printing all 10, and then I'm gonna fold it like this, like that. And this is my letter. I made a letter. There you go. So like this is the card. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Sige po. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Kuya. Sige po. Okay, so this Kuya is from Top Dynamics Inc. He's the one who picks up my orders from them. I think there's an assigned driver per area as mentioned on my previous vlog about shipping couriers. And yeah, he's very nice, very approachable too. Bye-bye po. Ingat po. Kuya, Merry Christmas po.
Merry Christmas po.
Sige po, Kuya. Ingat po. Kuya, Merry Christmas.
Sige po.
Sige po, ingat po. Merry Christmas, Kuya.
Ay, salamat po.
Sige po, ingat.
Picture mo, ma'am.
Oh, sige, smile ka. 1, 2. Okay, thank you, Kuya. Hi, so I'm just gonna give you guys an update. How many gift bags do I have left? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Actually, I'm saving one for the Shopee rider who always picks up my, you know, orders. And then for these 4, I'm planning if ever we don't have Grab deliveries or Mr. Speedy deliveries, maybe I'm gonna go around the village and then look for drivers and then give it to them. So I will update you guys with that one. Kuya, Merry Christmas po. Ito po, Kuya. Welcome po. Sige po. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Kuya. Thank you. Okay, so this Kuya is from JNT Express. He's the one who picks up my orders from Shopee because, you know, what I usually do is that whenever a customer orders from my store, I always schedule it the following day so that it will be delivered on time. And yeah, he's very nice. He always gives me a lot of pouches so that I will not run out of pouches. And yeah, that's why I really reserved one bag for him. I'm really grateful that this time I'm the one who's giving him package. So yeah. Like Kuya. Kuya, wait lang. Merry Christmas. Thank you po. Ingat po. Kuya, long time. Merry Christmas.
Thank you po.
Kuya, Okay, this driver is from J&T Express also. Actually, he's the first ever driver who picks up my orders from my Shopee store. Before, after how many pickups, I observed that he's not the one picking up my orders for my store. And then when he arrived to deliver my order from Shopee, I asked him, why is he not the one picking up my orders anymore? And he told me that he transferred to a different area. I want to give him something. I want to give him that gift. But then I don't know how to reach him anymore. So yeah, he's really, really nice too and very approachable. Thank you. Kuya, matagal. So this is the last. Kuya, Merry Christmas. Sige po, ingat po. Okay, so before I end this vlog, I just want to share to you guys the tips when booking to easily transact with your drivers, your courier drivers, of course. So yeah, I mentioned this on my shipping review video. So if you want to watch that, I'm gonna put the link down below. So yeah. Okay, first, this is very, very important, okay? Don't forget to ask the driver if they want water. Because, you know, the drivers may be really exhausted going from house to house to house, back and forth, and we don't know how heavy those parcels are. Really, kawawa sila. Second is to always wear a mask whenever you pick up your orders. Actually, I have a separate mask whenever I receive parcels or whenever there is a pickup of orders, okay? Of course, don't forget to disinfect all the parcels that you receive. Third, don't forget to ask for pouches, okay? Because they're very kind. Like, Kuya, is it okay if you bring a small pouch on your next pickup or a medium pouch because I need it, like this, like that? Or ask if you need more way bills, like that. Don't be shy. They're very nice. Lastly, don't forget to ask their contact number if ever it's not stated on the way bill. Because usually they put their contact number on the way bill because what if you forgot to put something in that parcel? Like, Kuya, is it okay if you come back because I forgot something? But of course, as a seller, you should be responsible for all the items that you will place. Make sure to double check, triple check, or quadruple check that all the items that was ordered by the customer is complete. One biggest tip is to prepare all the orders the day before. So yeah, that is it for today's video, everyone. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!